Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the DPI settings on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down and tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now once you enable developer options, just go back and tap on System. From here, just scroll down and tap on Developer Options. Now just tap on the search icon and search smallest width. Now just tap on smallest width. From here, just tap on smallest width. Now, from here, you can change the DPI setting of your smartphone. For an example, if I select 380, now just tap on OK. It will zoom out the text on our smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can change the DPI settings on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.